Me again. Outside about to do an investigation on what's out here. You're Let's take an adventure. So far, so good. Gotta show y'all something. Oh shit, goddamn, son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. Yeah, we out here. Let's take a walk. See what's up. I remind you, this is a one-way street, and he's going the fucking wrong way. So there's something going on the opposite way. I'm going that way too. To let y'all know. Now this is what I just wanted to show y'all. You remember the tree over here? See that freshly broken off branch right there? Yeah. Say hello to the rest of it. On that motherfucking car. Somebody is sick today. Ooh, so sick. They can't even get in the driver's side of that goddamn door. Ah, that's Mother Nature for you. Somebody's very sick. You see that, right? It's crazy. Ah, I must investigate what's going on down here in this motherfucker. Let me find my glasses because all the snow getting in my eye. Yeah. Hold up. Yeah, hold on for a second. Hold on. Some snow almost fell on my eyes. Almost died for a second. Yeah. Shit, god damn it. Son of a bitch. You son of a, god damn it. Taking this nice stroll. Yeah. What's up down here? Got about an inch of snow. Oh, stop. What the fuck? God damn it, my feet are freezing now. Let's see what's up down here. Nice shoveling shit. Somebody's sick. Look at this. Fuckers down here in this motherfucker. Yeah. This is all shit down here. I don't see a lot in the motherfucking street. Whatever though. Whatever. Got 350 environment, my eyes cold as shit. By the way, yo, do I like a nigga from Call of Duty? I always just want to ask her. Yeah, cause shit is just crazy. Hold on, I'm gonna knock this wire down right here. Bitch! This. Look at this tree. Will you look at this? Look at this. God damn it. Somebody's sick. All on that motherfucking car. Oh, my head's freezing. What's up, man? I feel like she just smacked the earth with some ice in this bitch. Like Jesus earth. Man, it's fucking freezing. I'll take a walk around the park. And I can see anything wrong down here. You know, the goddamn thing wrong. The only thing that's wrong in here is it's fucking snowing. Yeah. But, ain't be shit going on down here either. Let's investigate. I wish I had a gun. I really like a Call of Duty nigga. So me, I do. Let's investigate. What the fuck? How in the hell did I get all the way over here? Somebody dragged that shit? Mm. Look at this. Nobody. Nobody. Mother Nature said King Kong ain't got nothing on her. Well, guess what? We out here. We all out here. Bitches the hoes. Walking down the street. See a whole bunch of niggas. Gotta be careful out here. There's a whole bunch of slushy shit. Oh shit, nigga. The fuck? It's the third time that happened. God damn it. Sick of this shit. Let's bust my goddamn ass. On that motherfucking fall, almost did a split. Fucking toe was hurt even more. Damn it. Ah, my god. My balls. Damn, I didn't know you could stretch your balls too, damn. Oh god. Oh. Hurts so bad. Gotta take a walk out of the street. You know what I mean? Cause this weather is not a game. I just recorded myself for fun. See? I like a real nigga from Call of Duty. Fucking snow hurts. Bitches are hoes, bitches are hoes. Everybody love bitches are hoes. My hands are freezing like a motherfucker. Damn it. Oh shit. Shit's crazy. Oh, that's why I got no fucking Wi-Fi. Some bitch. Damn. Ain't that a bitch? Ain't this a motherfucker? Oh, you son of a bitch. And this is why I have no fucking Wi-Fi. You son of a... This motherfucker. Ain't this a motherfucker? See that over there? That's a motherfucking power line. That shit is crazy. Fucking power line fell, people. That's why I ain't no damn Wi-Fi. Shit. I'm fucked. Well, I guess I'll just talk to y'all later. My name's Terrell Deuces on the Facebook. Like, hit me up if you need to. Peace.